Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new picture frames image ID in Grow a Garden 2 new Popcat picture frames ID. So, first you need to get a picture frame crate from the prop shops. It costs 350,000, and when you open it, you will receive a random picture frame size. In here I got this small one like this, you can see it. And the best part is that you can display almost any image by using an image ID on here. And to use it, just place your picture frames on your garden like this, and then next just tap on edit. And then in here you can just enter this image for the Popcat ID. You can see it, you can see this ID. Just enter this ID and then next just enter it like this, and then after that you will get this image, this hilarious meme like this. And okay, that's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.